basically SBP is one of the only organizations left in Houston that's still doing repair work after Hurricane Harvey. A lot of the local organizations have shut down. It has been over 5 years since Hurricane Harvey happened. So organizations that used to be open are sending those clients to us. We have at least over 60 people in our waiting list alone, and people call every single week. So without us here, you would have these people still living in hurricane-like conditions.